Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 17th, our word of the day is Parry. P-A-R-R-Y. Parry. Parry is a 5-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Parry means to defend yourself from a weapon or an attack by pushing the weapon away or by putting something between your body and the weapon. It also means managing cleverly to avoid dealing with a difficult question or some criticism. Similar words include avoid, block, deflect, dodge, duck, elude, evade, preclude, prevent, rebuff, rebuke, repel, repulse. Examples of sentences using parry are: he parried every inquiry so successfully that soon he was the one asking the questions. It is far easier to parry a direct blow than to stop it forcibly. He broadcast his punch and the other man was able to parry it. I did not want to wound him, but to restrict myself to defense, to parry his attacks. She cleverly parried the reporter's questions. Predictably, the president parried inquiries about the arms scandal. Make sure to save this new word, parry, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers!